How to go live on Poppo Live. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Poppo Live. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to set up your live stream. For that, you will need to open your Poppo Live application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the live option. Tap on this option, and once after doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to first upload a photo. Tap on the upload a photo for yourself option at the bottom, and then from here select your photo and then tap on the complete option at the top right. By doing so, you will be taken to this interface. Here you will need to adjust your photo and then tap on the tick mark button at the bottom right. By doing so, you will successfully upload your photo. Now after that, you will need to authenticate your face. Tap on the Start to Certified option at the very bottom, and from the pop-up, tap on this Confirm button. Here you will need to allow permission to take pictures and record video. Select this while using the application option, and then here you will need to place your front face in order to verify. And after successful face authentication, you'll be able to reach to this page. Here you will need to allow the permissions for microphone and camera. For that, tap on this Confirm option from this pop-up. Here tap on this while using the application option, and once you reach to this page, here select your streaming platform and then tap on this Go Live button right here. So by following these steps, you should be able to go live on Poppo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.